Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Tune 175BT, 175BT. So I am going to show you how to factory reset this wireless earphone. I have already taken out the earphones. You can see this is the earphone. There are two sides in this. One is having the battery here. There is no buttons in this. And at this side, this is the right side. There is a button here at the center point, and there is a button at the bottom and the top, minus and plus, volume minus and volume plus. So now I am turning on. There is a LED here, you can see. I'm just pressing the center button continuously. It will turn on the device here. So now to do factory reset, we have to just turn on the device here. It should not be paired to your smart device, and it will go to searching mode, pairing mode here. You can see now it is gone to pairing mode. So what we have to do here is, like, we have to press this volume minus and volume plus for 5 seconds. So it will turn off automatically, and again it will start. Again it will turn on, and it will go to searching mode, pairing mode. So now what I am going to do is, like, I am going to press here volume minus and volume plus for 5 seconds, and you can see it will turn off, and again it will turn on, and it will go to Bluetooth pairing mode. In between that, off and on, there will be white light blinking. Now it is blue. I am going to press now. You can see white light is blinking 2 times, and again it went to blue light, that is pairing mode. So this JBL Tune 175BT has gone back to factory default. So this is the basic steps to do factory reset. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.